Survey Guy here. In this video, I just wanted to show you guys real quickly a site that you guys can use if you're looking for ways to make money online. This is a site that you can take surveys on every single day. You can cash out as long as you have $1 or more in your account. You can cash out directly to your PayPal instantly, direct deposit, virtual visas, Amazon, Skrill, Bitcoin, you name it, they got it. A bunch of different ways to cash out. Tons of surveys on this site. You guys will never run out of surveys on this site. They're unlimited. I've only ever had one problem on this site, and it was trying to verify my information in the very beginning when I first signed up with this site. It's something that you guys might run into also, and I just wanted to show you guys, my experience. So I completed a couple of dollars, worth of surveys, and my first time or second time cashing out to PayPal, I received this message, strange activity on your account. Please provide information saying that you are who you say you are. All I had to do was literally, I just sent them a picture of my ID. Within the same 24 hours, my account was approved, or it was back to being unbanned, and I was able to take surveys again. I've never run into another problem after that first week, and I've been on the site, for a year or two after that. I come on here once a day, and I just look for a high-paying survey. So I'll show you guys some proof. Here's me just popping up on here once a day and just completing a survey, and then here is a picture of like them actually sending me a few dollars. So Super Pay Me, 99 Ventures Ltd has sent you $6. Congratulations from your payment from Super Pay Me. So Super Pay Me is 99 Ventures Ltd, if that confuses anybody. Again, so after signing up, all you have to do in order to complete surveys is you'd come up to page surveys, and you'd hover over page surveys, and then you would scroll down to your surveys is a good place to take surveys. Revenue survey wall is a great one, and live page surveys. Those usually have the higher paying surveys. So you'd click on your surveys. It's going to bring you into your survey wall. And then all you would do is you would just scroll the list, and you would look for the highest paying surveys. So here's a survey. It's about education. It's $2.08, or 208 points. You come to rewards. You convert your points into cash, and then you can instantly cash out. So it's a great site to use. You only need to earn $1 or more in your account in order to cash out. It's legitimate. I've cashed out many times. I've cashed out to PayPal, 100 times, 200 times, $5, $10, $20 here or there. I've never had a problem, and it's instant. So when you cash out, it's instantly in your PayPal account, or instantly pops up in your inbox. If you cash out a virtual visa, within the same minute that you cash out, you'll receive the money. So again, all you would do is you look for the highest paying survey. You try to complete the survey to the best of your knowledge, and then they would pay you in the chat box. You would convert your rewards, your points into cash, and then you would withdraw your cash, and you'll instantly be paid. So if you guys are looking for a legitimate way, to earn money online taking surveys, this has to be, my favorite site of all time, because there's just unlimited surveys, and you're actually able to make 10, 20 bucks in a day. And other sites I've been on, and it's a struggle to make that in a month. So when you can join a site, and you can make 20 bucks, and you can instantly cash out to your PayPal account, and have that money in your pocket the same day, or literally like a minute or two after completing the survey. It's just great. It really is. It's just great. So if you guys are looking for a site, where you can sign up and, complete surveys every day, and you're actually going to get paid, you should really check out Super Pay Me. Thanks. I'm the Survey Guy. Have a great day.